Hello everyone, it's Phil Jones from Projector Reviews. While flat panels continue to get larger and larger, there's still some applications where a projection system is the best solution. One of those applications is golf simulation. Golf simulators have been rising in popularity due to their ability to provide a realistic practice experience from the comfort of your own home. So whether it's rainy, snowy, or you're too busy to visit your favorite golf course, a quality golf simulation setup can help you hone your skills year-round. One of the most essential components of such a setup is the impact screen, which must be able to handle the high-speed ball strikes while still delivering a crisp image. The Elite Screen's GolfSim Portable has a retail price of $1,468, and it is an all-in-one solution designed to meet the needs of golfers looking for a versatile, easy-to-assemble impact screen. In this review, we will discuss the screen's features, the assembly process, and its overall performance to help you decide if it is the right addition to your golf simulation setup. One of the standout features of the Elite Screen's GolfSim Portable system is its portability. Elite Screens has clearly put a lot of thought and time into the packaging and making the setup process as user-friendly as possible. When assembled, the screen is 8 feet tall and 10 feet wide, so I thought it was going to come in a large box. But surprisingly, the box was quite compact, and it was only about 5 feet long and weighed about 44 pounds. This is a manageable size because it's easy for a single person to move and transport it in a regular sized car. It's also a significant advantage over many competing screens that ship in a larger, bulkier, and more difficult to handle box. Unlike many traditional golf impact screens, which are often just a piece of fabric that you need to mount yourself, the GolfSim Portable includes everything you need right in the box. This includes the frame, the side rails, the screen, and all of the mounting hardware. The kit is thoughtfully designed to make setup as hassle-free as possible. When it comes to assembling the GolfSim Portable, it is clear that Elite Screen focused on the user experience. The screen uses a simple yet effective framing system that doesn't require extensive tools. In fact, most of the setup can be done with the items included in the box, without the need for wrenches or complex tools. The frame comes in a couple of pieces, and once they're unfolded, they're easily connected. Unlike most screens, Velcro strips are used to secure the screen and the sidewalls to the frame. While the screen, side, and top covers are mostly attached to the frame utilizing Velcro, in the box are 4 ball bungees, which fit through grommets located on the corners of the screen to further secure it to the frame. Elite Screens also includes a dozen longer Velcro strips, which can be utilized to apply tension to the screen to ensure that it stays flat and taut. One end of these Velcro strips are placed between the frame and the side cover. The other end is wrapped around the frame. Turning the Velcro strip that is wrapped around the frame will either increase or decrease the amount of tension applied to the screen. One person can complete the setup, but having an extra set of hands can definitely make the process simpler and quicker. I tested the screen for this review, and I assembled the screen myself, and it took around 2 hours. I expect, with prior experience assembling this screen and with some help, the entire assembly process could be completed in less than an hour. This is a reasonable time frame given the size of the screen and the sturdiness that is required to handle a golf ball striking this screen at up to 150 miles an hour. One especially convenient aspect of this design is how easy it is to take down the screen and pack the system back into its original bag. Elite Screens even includes a laminated card with step-by-step instructions for disassembly, ensuring that you can easily transport the system to a different location for use at a later date. The Elite Screens GolfSim Portable utilizes Elite Screens' proprietary Impact White 350 woven polyester material, which is designed to withstand high-velocity ball strikes. This material can handle impacts up to 150 miles an hour, making it more than capable of standing up to even the hardest swings. Despite its toughness, the screen still provides excellent image quality, a significant plus for those looking to utilize their setup for more than just golf simulation. The material is ISF certified, meaning that it can deliver high-quality visuals when used for other applications, such as watching movies or playing video games. This means you can utilize your GolfSim setup in a hybrid application, which means it can double as your screen in your home entertainment system. With the GolfSim portable screen, you could easily switch from practicing your swing to enjoying a movie with friends and family. Since this is the first time I set up a golf simulator, I didn't have a launch monitor or the golf simulation software, so Elite Screens was nice enough to loan me a system. I placed the laptop running the golf simulation system on a cart beside the projector. One thing to note, since the screen is only going to be utilized in a temporary situation, it is quite likely the projector will be positioned to the side of the player. So a projector with a good amount of digital keystone correction is required. While digital keystone correction can reduce image quality slightly, it is a necessary compromise to keep the projector out of the way. During my test, I utilized a lifestyle projector from a company called Dangbai. This is a bright, compact lifestyle projector that worked exceptionally well in this application due to its shorter throw and its effective digital keystone capabilities. The setup time took a total of about 3 hours, but I'm sure next time I could put together the entire system in about half that time. In terms of performance, the Elite Screens GolfSim Portable exceeded my expectations. Once it was assembled, the screen provided a large immersive display measuring 8 feet tall by 10 feet wide. This is more than large enough for most golf simulation applications, and it allows a realistic representation of your favorite golf course. During testing, the screen absorbed the kinetic energy from the ball impacts exceptionally well, minimizing the bounce back to just a few feet. This is an important safety feature as it reduces the risk of the ball ricocheting back towards the player. The sidewalls and the top cover also help keep stray balls contained, making the screen suitable in spaces where you may not have much room to spare. The versatility of the Elite Screen GolfSim Portable is one of its key selling points, because you're not just limited to indoor use. You can set this screen up in your garage or even outdoors like in your driveway. This makes it a great option for those who do not have a dedicated space for a golf simulator. Since the screen can be assembled and disassembled relatively quickly, you can set it up when needed and store it away when it's not in use. At $1,468, the GolfSim Portable is a fairly affordable option for those looking to get into the world of golf simulation and impact screens. The screen's dual-purpose design makes it ideal for hybrid spaces. So whether you're striking a golf ball at the screen or watching a movie, the screen delivers consistently good performance. For those with limited space and budget, the ability to utilize one screen for multiple purposes can be a significant advantage. When compared to building a custom system from scratch, which would involve sourcing the screen material, assembling a frame, and finding a way to attach the screen to the frame, the all-in-one convenience of the GolfSim Portable stands out. While there are some cheaper DIY options available, they lack the durability and the easy assembly and disassembly provided by this screen system. Elite Screens also offers other golf simulation solutions, including the larger golf-based sim, which is designed for permanent installations, as well as standalone impact screen materials for those looking to build a custom setup. However, for most users, the GolfSim Portable strikes the perfect balance between price, performance, and convenience. When I factored in the cost of the screen with the other components required for a golf simulator, such as the projector, the launch monitor, the golf simulation software and a computer, the total cost of the setup was around $5,000. While this is a significant investment, it is far more affordable than a commercial golf simulator. And for avid golfers, it can pay itself off quickly over time through the convenience of year-round practice. Once I set up the GolfSim portable screen and all of the equipment, I had a blast playing with the system. I'm not a golfer. I basically suck. But it's better for me to practice in the comfort of my own home than embarrass myself on a golf course or a driving range. I'm sure if I played with this system for a couple of weeks, I would actually become a better golfer. Either way, it was a fun way to spend an afternoon. The Elite Screen's GolfSim Portable is an excellent choice for someone looking to build a high-quality, versatile golf simulator without breaking the bank. The screen's thoughtful design, easy assembly, and portability make it a standout option, especially for those who need a system that can be quickly set up and taken down. Overall, the GolfSim Portable offers great value for its price, combining durability, versatility with easy setup in a way that few other screens can match. The screen's material is durable enough to withstand even the fastest ball strikes while still providing impressive image quality, so you can use it for home entertainment applications. So whether you're a serious golfer looking to improve your game or someone who just wants to enjoy an occasional round of golf in the comfort of your own home, this screen is a fantastic addition to any golf simulation setup. To learn more about the GolfSim Portable and other Elite Impact screens, check out elitescreens.com and check out our upcoming reviews of more golf sim related products. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon.